now you listen carefully to my lecture. What is one action which will make you great? What is one action which will make you great? Every one of you has a page in the history of the world. What is that page? How do you make that page? Which is going to be referred by the prosperity. There is a need to give a vision to the ambition. What I will do it for? What I will, each one of us will have a question. What I will do it for? If you find the answer for this few lines, your out-of-box idea will drive you for the rest of your life. Definitely you are thinking something else of your out-of-box idea, which is, what are they? I learned every youth wants to be unique. I learned every youth wants to be unique. But the world around you is trying its best day and night to just make you everybody else. Whether now you decide that you want to be you or everybody else. Everybody else is convenient. Everybody else is convenient. The first glance, but not the satisfying in a long visit. The challenge for my young friends is that you have to fight the hardest battle, which every human being can ever imagine to fight. And never stop fighting until you reach your destined place. That is the unique in you. To get the unique in you is a big battle. A battle means you need not to take a gun. A battle means you need 4 unique things. 4 unique tools you need. The first one is set the goal and achieve that goal. The second one is acquire the knowledge continuously. And the third one is hard work, devotion, and the fourth one is perseverance. Friends, I will tell you a small poem. When there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. There is peace in the world. A leader must have a vision. Without a vision, they will not be a leader. So a leader must have a vision. A leader should know how to travel in an unexplored path. Normally, tendency is to travel in a well-traveled path, but the leader will take the untraveled path. A leader must know how to manage success. But most importantly, a leader must know how to manage the failure. A leader must know how to manage the failure. Friends, I will tell you another small poem now. I climbed and climbed, where is the peak, my Lord? I climbed and climbed, where is the peak, my Lord? I ploughed and ploughed, where is the knowledge treasure, my Lord? I ploughed and ploughed, where is the knowledge treasure, my Lord? I see and see, where is the island of peace, my Lord? I see and see, where is the island of peace, my Lord? Almighty, bless my nation with vision and swift, resulting into happiness. Thank you, Jai Hind.